Yo guys, this is Pacey Not here, and I just wanted to say I'll be giving away some cards over on my Instagram at pacey.not. Just go on there, should be a post there, and it'll say how to enter the giveaway. So yeah.
I'm sure you've heard this all before. Sure you look familiar. Sure the cost of living keep on rising with no limits. Need the name a politician gave a fuck about your feelings. Name a single trend that didn't end up like a gimmick. Think there's something in the water. Tell me what the mission is. Icy lit showers, cold word, Flint, Michigan. Tire match my melanin. Black on black is militant. Represents my diligence. I see through that privilege. Something's in the water. I think there's something in the water. And I still don't watch the news. Barely trust the facts now. Liar, 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 throwing stones, then hide your hands. Wow, that don't make no man proud. Tears might make my city drown. I'm too scared to speak to God. There's shooters in the churches now. Something's in the water. Tell me what the mission is. Just another citizen that sacrificed my discipline. Still don't know my origin. Still don't know who's listening. Still can't tell the difference between strength and my conditioning. Something's in the water. There's something in the water.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I've been gone a while now. Never thought God, I come back to this. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I heard we've been falling down. What you mean we're falling down to this? I don't get this fuckery. This was never taught to me. I don't know how we got here. Oh, so suddenly. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I'm stood at the border. And there's something in this.
Something's in the